I'll be here day and night in case he doesn't come back.
What's going on, guys? Jetstream here, back at it again with another video. I've been making a lot of them lately. I just realized that. I don't know, I'm just really enjoying making videos right now. Sue me, but I guess that's a good thing, right? So anyway, this video isn't going to be a Call of Duty video, contrary to what you see on the screen right now. This is just so I can talk over it. This is like a game I played a while ago. And yeah, so this video is going to be the past weekend. Me and my dad and my brother went to a shooting range, and I recorded some of the like guns we shot. I'll like put what they are when they're being shot. The rifle we didn't use very much. Like, it was just a 22 rifle or something, but we didn't use it because the scope was inaccurate, and my dad didn't bring the little book to fix the scope, and he forgot how to do it. So we just used the pistols. I think there was a 9mm, a 22, and a 38, or like two different 38s, and yeah. So enjoy the clips, guys, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.
You could touch a night, cross my shoulders. Being it, act like I'm tasting. Wanna make the miles let move. Getting mile high, if you want it, you can have it. I can stay after the show. Backstage passing, I can crouch up on you.
Low beats. Low beats.
Bro, this little 38 is hard to aim, I'll tell you that. They don't screw around.